Currently, everyone is discussing the new Claude Opus 4.7 artificial intelligence model. Here is how you can gain access for free. Take a look at Claude Opus 4.7 here. I am currently using this platform because it provides me with free access to several Claude models, which are advanced AI programs for the entire year. This system features no limit on tokens or text units. Other programs often display limits on tokens, which are data chunks. But this interface manages those restrictions very differently. Observe how I have gained access to Claude Opus 4.7, which is available for the entire year. Anthropic also offers other models like Claude Opus 4.7 and 4.6. Additional Sonnet LLM models or intelligent text systems are here. I can access many different models for free during the entire year. So let us begin now. I will show you how to get Claude Opus 4.7, an advanced AI tool, for a full 1-year subscription period. I obtained an AWS Cloud Computing promotion, a special discount for the Kiro Pro Plus plan, valid until 2026. It starts the 4th with a 2027 expiration. I earned a $960 payout, your total profit. So first, you must do this. Enroll in Kiro's startup program for new businesses. Enter Kiro for Startups, the business program, here. Next, visit this site to apply for your startup credits. First, click this button and then select Apply for Startups to begin your new business registration. Once you click here, the site will redirect or automatically send you to apply for Kiro credits, a specific financial service offered directly by Amazon. This is the unique ID created by Amazon. This is a reliable choice. This software is trusted, meaning it's reliable. This new ID, or identification, is authentic. Now, navigate to this section for startups, which are newly founded companies, for examples. Simply launch a startup, a new company, that uses AI, or artificial intelligence, to resolve challenges. Because creating these smart problem-solving businesses is surprisingly easy for you. I have also launched my own startup business. Please leave a comment below if you would like a detailed tutorial explaining the step-by-step workflow for this project. I'll cover that in the next video. Next, type your first and last name into these input fields, which are boxes for entering text. Next, enter your professional role, such as a founder starting a business or a developer building software, into the designated input field. Next, input your LinkedIn profile URL, and then provide your current company name. It is not mandatory to have a registered business before selecting your company name. Ensure it boots up as I explained. You built your website using that. Launch a startup, which is a new business, if you have solved a problem using artificial intelligence, often called AI. Many creative concepts can be used to launch small-scale startup ventures. Next, enter your company name into this input field box. During the startup phase, which is your early business stage, you can establish your brand identity using your own name, regardless of the specific products you originally created. Official registration or formal government listing is not mandatory here. Next, input your startup's URL, which is its web address. First, you must provide the link for your website or any mobile application, which is specialized software that you built for your new startup. Simply write a short description of your startup or business. If you struggle with writing, use ChatGPT, an AI tool that generates text to help you create content. You can also use Gemini, a smart AI assistant, to write your content. Next, go ahead and enter the company email. Avoid entering your Gmail address, your email here. Enter your email address right here. I had already set up my email account. Notice the inbox where I actually received that email. Kiro has officially approved your application for startup credit. I had this set up through Zoho Mail. Notice how the domain is listed right here as mail.zoho.in. I have set up this email account using Zoho Mail. Notice how the screen confirms I was eligible and approved for Kiro startup credits. which provide free platform balance to new companies, right after I submitted my application. Next, please type your email address into this input field. Avoid your personal Gmail, an individual account, to prevent application rejection. Next, input your personal mobile number here. Then, simply select your home country from the list to safely proceed. First, select your state and then pick out your local city. Enter your PIN code right here. Then, observe typical industry standards. Software or computer programs, and internet are likely causes. Among these many industries, please identify the specific sector where your startup operates. As I mentioned, artificial intelligence, or AI, is used for solving problems in various industries, including agriculture for farming, automotive for vehicles, consumer goods for retail products, and education for learning. You should begin by choosing a specific niche, or specialized subject. Focusing on software or internet technology usually offers higher chances for reaching your goals. First, select software and internet for the industry. Then enter your headcount, meaning staff size. While your team currently has 2 developers, you should ideally have a minimum of 3, 10, or even 11 members. In the initial stage, or starting phase, your metrics will range from 3 to 10. Simply select all the items you need to finish your configuration process. Next, input the founding date, which is when your startup launched. First, locate the Date Select field, and then input the required calendar date right here. Next, identify your latest funding round, meaning your newest investment. Now the system is asking for your funding information. Right now, the best path is to bootstrap, which simply means funding your own business operations without taking outside investment capital. I will leave this component exactly where it is now. Next, look for the message confirming your AWS or Amazon Cloud account is linked. While filling out this form, the system will prompt you to link your AWS Cloud Services account. An AWS account provides access to Amazon Web Services. Most viewers probably already understand how an AWS account for cloud services works. Link your AWS account to connect your Amazon Cloud platform. Refer back to the interface section I showed you earlier. $960 in AWS credits, which are service balances, were applied directly to my account. Link your account here to connect the services. Connect your AWS account to receive your promotional credits. Tick the checkbox to select it. Then click Submit Application and wait while the system processes your request for the next stage. Notice how this email, or electronic message, reached my inbox within a time frame of only 7 days. This meets our expected performance standards. That is the entire process. They issue credits, or digital rewards, and I received my own confirmation email. Your application was successfully accepted into Kiro Startups. Your account is now fully active. This credit, your store balance, lasts 1 year. Let me demonstrate. Let's look at the current pricing now. Let's examine Kiro's plans, which are pricing options. The Kiro Pro Plus plan requires a $40 monthly subscription fee, which adds up to $960 annually. These credits are consumed or used 12 months after you activate them. This gives you 2,000 credits every month. You are now able to use this entire service for free for 1 full year. Notice how installing the Kiro interface, a specialized connection tool, enables you to access various Claude models, letting you select specific versions like Opus 4.7 or 4.6 for any professional task you want to complete. You will find many different models listed here. Anthropic's newest AI models, or software versions, will be updated here. I'll conduct a live test, which is a real-time demonstration. After entering the input, the system generated a response, an answer, visible right here. Notice how the software spent 0.12 credits, or usage units, to successfully generate and send this specific reply. This depends on the context window, or memory limit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to follow our channel if you found this instructional video helpful.